Hey guys, I just realised that I didn't film an intro for this video after I finished filming it. So I did a full get ready with me. Hair, washing it, everything, makeup, curling my hair, literally everything. I even showed you my outfit. Here it is. Don't know what to intro it because I've already done the whole video. I guess if you want to see how I normally get ready and everything to do with it, then just keep on watching because that's what today's video is. My social medias are in the description box. I'm not going to do the whole long intro today, but yeah, keep on watching and enjoy the freaking video. Okay guys, so I'm about to get in the bath. I'm trying to run a bubble bath so that, you know, I can do this whole shampooing thing without flashing anything. And if a nip slip does happen, that's what the bubbles are for. I am in a bikini though, so don't you stress. We should be good. Here's how it's getting on. Trying to make it super bubbly. Yeah, I'm just mixing it up a little bit and then you will join me in my bubble bath. That sounds creepy, but yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm in a bubble bath. Now I don't know how this angle is or how this lighting is. Oh, all the bubbles are behind me. Hello. This is what my YouTube channel has come to. How's your bubble bath going? Mine's great, thank you for asking. Now I'm gonna have to keep a good watch on these bubbles to make sure that no nip slips happen, but yeah, that's my life. I might need to make some more bubbles as well because they seem to be dissolving quickly because I didn't use the actual bubble bar. So I'm gonna keep the bubbles like this to make sure I stay monetized. I thought I'd show you guys how I wash my hair basically. It is actually quite a key part in making sure that your hair looks nice. Yeah, I put a lot of hairspray and just product and stuff in my hair. So if it's not like washed within the past couple days, it just looks not right basically. And when you have fresh hair, just means that you can basically do any hairstyle that you want and it will look a lot better in my opinion. So yes, we are going to be using the Function of Beauty products in this video. I could have had a shower, but then I thought the audio would be a bit weird, so we are trying to go with this bubble bath thing. I might also just crop it so it's from here up. I don't quite know yet. I am scared of a nip slip happening, I cannot lie. I am wearing a bikini, but can't be too careful these days, can you? So not only have we got shampoo, conditioner, the whole lot, we have got custom made shampoo and conditioner. So I basically took a hair survey, answered some questions about my hair types, what I like in my shampoos and what my hair goals were. So the first question is, what kind of hair do you have? Pick one from each line. I chose wavy, and then for my hair I did medium. My own hair is a little bit thin because of all the times it's been bleached and stuff, but I've got extensions in as well and those are quite thick, so I just went for medium. They asked what like your scalp was like. Mine's normal, I don't really notice anything. And then it said select 5 different hair goals and I chose replenish hair, fix split ends, strengthen, shine and hydrate. I just want my hair to be in the best quality as possible, but there's everything from nourishing your roots to curl definition to anti-frizz, so it does have something for everyone. There's also thermal protection if you're worried about heat damage. There is a lot in there. Then you got to choose a fragrance. I chose pear and apple, and then you got to pick a color. I of course chose pink, and then you got a name to put on it, and yeah, that is what is going on. I will show you guys my shampoo now. So here is the conditioner bottle. It is pink, and then here is the shampoo bottle. It's actually so bang. It's like a little rose gold thing. I'm obsessed. They do come with pumps as well. I'm probably just gonna pour it for this video, but know that they do come with pumps. I really need more bubbles. My bubbles are fading. That is it. I will insert the price now just because I'm not too sure off the top of my head. I'm going pink. It's so hot in this bath. I need some cold water. I'm gonna like just follow what it says for me to do with the shampoo and everything. Also do how I normally wash my hair. It says to lather shampoo with water on hand before massaging into scalp and strands. Use fingers to distribute the product, rinse and repeat. The product will lather much more the second time, an indicator that your hair is fully clean. So they're telling you to shampoo twice, so let's go for that. I normally shampoo once, twice if I'm like proper wanting to, just because I'm a lazy girl, but we will shampoo twice to see the full result. Yes, let's try this out. You guys are in the bath with me. This is a new level of comfort, isn't it? Now that we have dampened my hair, I look disgusting. I look really pink, my face looks gross, and I didn't get much sleep last night, so this should really be a glow up. But anyway, I'm gonna wash my hair now. I'll show you how much I'm using. I'm gonna shake it up first just because I feel like I should. Oh god, I'm actually the weakest person in the world. Does smell like peach and apple. Smells lush, guys. I'm just gonna pour probably about that much into my hands, just so you guys can see. Not too much. If I need more, I will add more. This is just the first round, remember. This is really weird, me like showing you guys how I shampoo my hair, but like from the feel of it, it feels like quite thick and good. Like, you know when you use like a professional like salon quality shampoo, it feels like a little bit goes a lot longer way. Now that little amount has covered like my whole scalp. I will need a little bit more for the ends, just because as I said, I've got extensions, so there's a lot of hair to cover. Once it starts like proper bubbling up is when you know your hair's clean, apparently. It has covered my whole hair as well, like really well, guys. So I'm gonna wash this out and then repeat the process, and I will come back with you to condition it. Okay guys, so me from the future coming in just now doing a little voiceover, but basically since filming this video I have noticed that my hair's been a lot healthier, thicker, just shinier and better looking. So I would definitely recommend that you guys do check out Function of Beauty, and there is actually a link in the description box where you can save 20% off your first order. So just click that, you'll get 20% off and you can get your very own custom made shampoo. And yeah, would definitely recommend you guys check it out. And we're recording. Okay, so I'm leaving my hair down because I want to like finish letting it dry. It's still damp. I did put in some heat protection spray. You guys could get like heat protectant built into the shampoo. Oh, I need a scrunchie so bad. Yeah, you could get heat protectant like built into the shampoo and conditioner. I just didn't because I wanted to make sure that like it was really hydrating the shampoo. I'm rambling. Let's just quickly do the makeup because you guys see me do my makeup all the time. I'm using the Too Faced Dew You primer and it's really broken my one, so that's always fun. I always let my hair dry naturally as well. That's not saying that you guys have to. If you want to blow dry it, feel free. I'm just too lazy and I get really hot and bothered under the blow dryer. I know that sounds pathetic. Just is what it is, I guess. That's all over my face. Oh, I forgot to dampen my bloody beauty blender. Yeah, so it's been like around like 45 minutes since I got out of the bubble bath. Hope you guys enjoyed that little have a bath with me. You know, great content, am I right, ladies? I'm gonna take my NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Bath. I almost said it with an accent. I almost said it in the shade Barcelona. In the shade Barcelona. I'm quite into it at the moment, I can't lie. I mix it with other ones, but yes. Also, if you can hear any noises, we have builders at the moment, hence why I'm back filming in this room, even though I didn't want to be. They're like working on like the grass and like building doors. I don't freaking know. If this doesn't match my neck, I'm sorry as well. I'm waiting for my fake tan to like come off so I can try another one. It's a bit patchy and all over the place. I'm a bit of a mess at the moment, pretty sure. I'm also taking my Born This Way and my Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I'm just gonna like bounce that over my face as well because like why not. Also, if I have a mustache, I'm probably gonna get that done tomorrow. Like I wax it. I've been rather busy this week. Don't know what I was doing. I just have been all over the place. Whenever I wanted to film, the builders were always there, so I like try to put it off so I could maybe film in that room, but they were always there, so maybe too much foundation. Oh well, let's just take it all the way down my neck because I need it. I'm excited to see what the final results of the shampoo are. Oop, just got that on my hoodie because it feels like really like soft, my hair at the moment, so we'll see what it's like after I have put all the like heat in it, because obviously that's gonna dry out your hair a little bit. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade like vanilla, sorry, almond. I have one in the shade vanilla as well, but this is almond, not vanilla. And then I'm also gonna mix it with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Canal. You guys know this is like my holy grail. I'm gonna try and get through this relatively quickly. Oh, I miss these videos. These are my favorite types of videos to film. I'm just doing my makeup, having a little bit of a chit chat, but I do know that it gets repetitive, so I am trying to change up my content, but I just like talking. I know that sounds really like, I just like talking, but I do like, I talk a lot. All done. Now let's take some loose powder. Also, I've lost my eyebrow pencil recently, so I've really been winging how I do my brows. My phone just went off.
Hi TikTok, how are you?
I know I'm not looking into the camera because here's actually the true tea. If I look straight down the camera and there's the ring light there, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like literally squinting in this room. Super dark, and then when I just have one bright light, I don't know, my eyes are like really weird and like sensitive to light and just a bit messed up. I can't look at the sun or anything. Diva, dramatic. No, it's actually true. If I like look down the camera for like half an hour, I get super dizzy and ill and feel like I'm gonna faint. So not today, because I know I'm gonna have to be here for a while, like with the hair and everything, and I'm talking so fast. Wow. Now let's do this makeup. I'm using the Mani MUA Life's a Drag palette. It's really fun and cute. You can do like dramatic looks or natural looks. I'm using the shade Sickening, which is this one right here. It's just like a really cute like neutral brown. It's not too dark. When I have like the darker foundations, like as in like the ones that match my fake tan normally, not when it's all come off like this. It looks cute. Also, I don't know if I've said, but ignore my nails. I should hopefully be getting them done today. Should we do like an autumnal look, like kind of warm tones? I'm feeling that. Let's do it, Kirsty. I don't know what shades I'm taking. I'm just taking a mixture of like warm brown ones. Kind of like, if you look at this palette, it's all just like warm brown shades. I'm just taking like the first two rows, like these like middle shades and these middle shades, like maybe a little bit of that one, maybe that one. Oh, I definitely took some of that one. I love these kind of shades. And just, yeah, the matte ones. Any of the matte, like light medium shades in this palette, I've been whacking them through the crease. And also, if you have like dark hair, it looks cute. Whenever it gets to like autumn winter time, I always want to dye my hair dark, and then I remind myself of the time that I did and had a mental breakdown, and then I go, maybe not today. You know what I mean? I'm taking Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek. Little tip, if you ever take it too far down, just get your beauty blender, just whack it about. Normally you should clean it up a little bit. I'm taking Bada Bing by Makeup Geek now. It's just like a darker brown. I'm just taking it in the outer corner. I like to like wing out my eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna take Legendary from the Manny MUA Life's Drag palette. It's such a pretty eyeshadow. I spray it with Fix Plus. It's like, I really like the formula of it. It's not crumbly, but it's like soft. So like you can get a lot of product on your brush without it being like, you know when there's like a foiled eyeshadow and it just won't come out the pan and you're there like rubbing your brush around like, come on, give me some product. This is not like it. It's so like soft and creamy. Same on this eye. I feel ill. Oh, I got it in my eyeball. Ow. Good enough? Maybe. Probably not, but like, oh well. Okay, let's do my eyeliner. Should I wear lashes? I'm really not feeling lashes, but maybe I should. We'll see. I'm gonna do my mascara off camera because I always do that. And I might wear lashes, but here's my eyeliner. It's a Maybelline one in the shade 100 Black. I don't know if that's actually the shade name, but it's black. I'm just like gonna take, or maybe I should take this brush. That would be more clever. And just like blend it out. Okay, let me go do my lashes. I'm probably gonna do my eyebrows as well because yeah, they're a struggle at the moment, and then I'll come back with you guys. I look grim. I just blended that out, you know the tea. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I don't know what I'm chatting. So I'm not a fan of how this makeup look is turning out. I cannot lie to you. I've stuck this eyelash on so many times that this eye is going blurry. Wait, really blurry? Oh, maybe I should rethink this. Oh well. It's happened now. We can just sort it out later. Also, I think the brows are kind of ruining the whole look. Not a fan of them. You know, stay positive, boys and girls. Why do I say girls like that? I think it's just like washing me out a little bit. I'm gonna pack on my Marc Jacobs bronzer because, you know, Holy Grail or whatever. I want to be tanned. Do you know what's annoying, right? I am like, so like I tan really easily, but like I live in England, so that doesn't happen. But like my natural skin tone is pretty pale, right? My sister is like so tan, like a little Amazonian, like I don't freaking know, so tanned. And I'm like, well, that's fair. Where did those genes go on me, hey? I'm just like drowning in fake tan balls. At least I can own it, right? You know, there are them people that's like, no, this is my natural tan. Then you lift their hands and you're just like, yeah, sure, Jan. I'm gonna take the Magic Act eyeshadow by Makeup Geek because it's like right in front of me, and it's actually a really good like brow highlight. Yeah, my brows are ruining this. I don't know if you guys remember me saying I lost my eyebrow pencil, so I've been using this other one. I'm gonna go buy a new one today, but I've been using this other eyebrow pencil. Needless to say, my brows aren't thanking me for it. It's like way too dark for me, and yeah, not the biggest fan. Right, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cake Face from the Life's Drag palette, just on my inner corner. It's just a matte white. I'm gonna mix it with Magic Act, but I like a super like light inner corner highlight, and don't have one of those in front of me, so let me just spray my face quick. Let's go for this highlight. I'm gonna take Magic Act as my highlight again. Oh, why is it making that shadow on my face? Do you guys see it? Okay, maybe don't use this eyeshadow as a highlight. Now let's just run eyeshadow underneath my eye. This is Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek again. Also, did notice that my under eye in this eye is creasing, so if you notice it, needless to say, eyeshadow could have gone better today. Whole makeup could have gone better today. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, it was actually going quite well until I went off camera and did my lashes and eyebrows, but tis what it is. I'm gonna go get my heat tools, and I'm gonna just fix this really quickly because I can't actually see out of this eye, so 1 minute, please. Guys, I had a mental breakdown about my eyelashes. Well, not really, but I wouldn't call it a mental breakdown, but I basically just hated them. And then my natural lashes don't look the same after I put eyelashes on them, which is always really fun. I'm not really feeling this makeup, but I never am until my hair's done, so hopefully. Let's start straightening it. It is mainly dry. You should wait till it's all dry, but I am impatient. It is a little bit damp still, but it should be fine. I'm gonna zoom this out a little bit. Yeah, the things that I like asked for in the shampoo was to sort of like rehydrate and add shine and just stuff like that. So hopefully this will do that, just so you guys know what it should be achieving. I do always like to have freshly washed hair. That being said, I don't wash it every day. I wash it probably either every other day or every third day. It doesn't get too greasy. It's normally just because I'll put like hairspray and stuff in it. After you put hairspray on your hair and then if you try to let it sort of sit down, never really looks the same. I do have extensions in, as I've mentioned, they're tape ones. If anyone's wondering, I probably mentioned that already as well. It's always this layer of my hair that just goes crazy because it's where like my own hair is like all dry and stuff, and you know when like your hair's like dry, it's kind of frizzy. Or at least mine is. The top of my hair is the part that gets dyed the most. If you're a blonde as well, like me, and you tend to find that your hair goes quite like brassy or yellow or whatever, they do also have an option that you can choose from that like will reduce that. I just don't really find that that happens to my hair too much, but if that does worry you, then go for that option. Bam. I should probably plug in the curlers so they heat up. That's that. I'm gonna turn these off. I'm gonna do the same thing. I section my hair. I go from the top of my ear just like straight back, meet my two thumbs at the back of my hair, just like that. And that's how I get the bottom chunk, because I feel like that's the most important. When I'm curling my hair, I'll normally do like 2 chunks after this as well. But yeah, I go from the bottom first because I feel like that's the part that I would miss. So I just wrap them around. These are like a babless one. I'm not sure of the size of the tong, but as I said, these should look really like nice and just, yeah, really shiny. Oh my god, look at how shiny my hair looks. These will last longer if your hair is a little bit greasier, I guess. Some people like to like leave their hair a day before doing like intricate hairstyles. Me personally, I like to do them just straight away, and then I'll just add like probably too much product into it because I just think it looks way nicer. Like, yeah, you can get a better grip on it if you've like not washed it for a day or so, but I just think the final result is so much nicer when you have clean hair. That might just be me, I don't know, but like these curls to me just look so like silky. And we let it down. So that is one side so far. I'm gonna go on to this side now. I literally just wrap it around the wand in whatever way I see fit. If you, oh okay, maybe not like that. If you want more like wavy curls, then you should hold the wand like this way, like upwards, and it will make more of a wave rather than a curl. I'll show you guys. Do you guys see? It's a little bit more like wavy. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I normally just hold it like at like a sort of like, I don't know, this isn't really, that's 90. That's like whatever. I sort of hold it at like 45 degrees, I would say, to create something in between. It's also just the easiest motion for my hand to do, I tend to find. So, you know, easy, easy, easy. I then put it down and I sort of see how everything's looking. In my opinion, this section right here, maybe it was too thick of a section. I'm just gonna curl them all individually because it doesn't seem curly enough for my liking. If there's anything else, I'll go back over it again. If I didn't straighten my hair beforehand, I wouldn't have to do this, but it is what it is, I guess. I think it looks smoother this way, that's why I do it. The front parts of my hair are so short, because guess what? They've been snapped off. Okay, let's just go. I mean, it is growing back, slowly but surely. The bleach probably doesn't help it, but I can't help it. I'm just obsessed with like being fake blonde, you know? I feel like it's my calling. I am going to curl the rest of my hair, and if I end up doing a style with it, I might just leave it down. We'll see how it looks. But I feel like this is going to be really boring for you guys, because obviously I've got extensions. There's quite a lot of ground to cover in terms of hair. I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair just in the same way I've been doing, and I will get back to you guys when it is all done. I'm also gonna get changed into a cute little outfit. I'll let you know where everything's from. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet, so I can't let you know now, but is this all my own hair? That is all, I can feel that. That's all my own hair. That's long. Wait, what? My own hair's growing, look at that. Now that I've had that amazing revelation, I'm gonna go finish curling my hair and damaging it again, so yeah. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I'll show you my outfit now. Here are the jeans. They're just like wide leg, like Urban Outfitters. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh, okay, that's enough of that. Top, I'm not sure where from, and then jacket is Urban Outfitters once again. I'm actually really feeling my hair today. I changed the parting a little bit, hence why it looks a bit weird. It was like a middle parting before, but I think it looks a lot like thicker than normal and a lot more like volume, which I like kind of wanted in what I said. I think I said like thickness and stuff, and just wanted it to make it look a little bit more healthier, which this is definitely done. Like, the amount of volume on my hair is crazy and I'm obsessed. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I wish my makeup looked good because I'm obsessed with my hair. But yeah, make sure you check out Functioner Beauty for the shampoo and conditioner if you're interested in how my hair got this thick, because it definitely isn't natural. I'm just telling you right now. Also feels really healthy and looks really shiny, so I'm happy. Now let's see if I can fix my makeup. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I kind of showed you a full get ready with me rather than just my makeup. So yeah, let me know if you enjoy that more. My mirror is in the way. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Follow me on all my social medias if you would like to see more of my face. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you.